Mission is one of the most iconic and best-loved hi-fi brands. The British speaker specialist started life in 1977 and has since been responsible for some of the finest speakers ever made. And perhaps the most influential model in the company's history, released just a year after the company's inception, is the Mission 770 speaker. And now it's coming back. 43 years since its debut, Mission is not only bringing a re-engineered version of the 770 stand mount speaker to market, this British classic will be designed, engineered and made in the UK. The appeal of the original Mission 770 was, as simple as it might seem, the way it sounded. That's because back in the late 1970s, Mission decided to do something very different, and something with which we at What Hi-Fi wholeheartedly agree. The company chose to prioritise extensive listening sessions over technical specifications when it came to perfecting the sound of the speakers. Industry experts and leading hi-fi journalists were involved in hours of listening tests to fine-tune the final sound of the Mission 770s. Farhad Azima, Mission's founder, was driven to make a speaker that could marry the accuracy and transparency of the famous BBC speakers design, but with tighter bass and a more engaging sound. A new level of musicality was the result, and that's exactly what Mission wants to deliver once more with the new 770. Peter Como, Mission's Director of Acoustic Design and one of the world's most successful speaker designers, is the man in charge of the project. Revisiting the classic speaker, which he remembers well from his time reviewing hi-fi, Como settled on two key elements that set the Mission 770 apart and helped deliver its highly musical performance. First, there was the polypropylene speaker cone, claimed to be unique in a consumer product at the time. And second, the impressive resonance control of the cabinet. Sure enough, these elements have formed the cornerstone of the 21st century reimagining. But while the ethos and foundations remain the same, every part of the new Mission 770 speakers has been upgraded, from the drive units to the crossover to the cabinet. Firstly, the drive units. A completely new polypropylene driver has been developed, which aims to marry the extended response and natural tone of the original with a motor system brought right up to date. As on the original, the driver is built onto a 20cm die-cast chassis with large rear windows designed to reduce reflections. The speaker cone has also been made stiffer than the original to help deliver tighter, faster bass. In turn, the cabinet and reflex port have been tuned to a very low frequency in an effort to achieve a wide bandwidth and an articulate bass. Mission is promising smooth, powerful bass performance below 30 Hz, no mean feat for a speaker of this size. The original Mission 770 had focused on mid-range performance to get the best out of vinyl, the popular hi-fi source of the time. The new 770 promises all-round excellence, suited to digital as well as analog sources. This is achieved using a treble unit with a lightweight, damped microfiber dome that delivers a smooth response and is built to match the tonal balance of the mid-bass driver. Onto the crossover, and today's advanced software allows Mission to map and measure the accuracy of this crucial component, which, coupled with hundreds of hours of listening sessions and adjustments along the way, helps perfect the 770 sound. More than 120 circuit iterations were tried in the tuning process, showing Mission's attention to detail when it comes to finding the perfect sound. High-quality components are of course used throughout, while care is taken with the component layout and crossover position to ensure low coloration and maximum transparency. The final piece of the new Mission 770 speaker is the cabinet, and in keeping with the rest of the design, it's a thoroughly modern construction with echoes to the original, thanks to the real wood veneered cabinet with striking white laminated front baffle. While the original BBC-influenced cabinet used a thin wall design damped by mass loading with bitumen pads, the new 770 features a twin wall sandwich of high-density MDF and particle board bonded by a layer of high damping glue. Mission says this reduces resonance and sonic coloration from the cabinet to well below audible levels. Further internal damping and bracing adds strength and aids dynamic performance. To cap it all, this revamped classic speaker is designed, engineered and made in the UK, with parent company IAG expanding their facilities in Huntingdon, Cambridgeshire to enable the manufacture of the 770 on site. This new Made in the UK initiative will see a number of specially selected products from IAG's family of brands engineered and built on site, including heritage products from Wharfdale, Leek and Castle, as well as Mission. The new Mission 770 stand mount speakers are set to be available from summer 2021 and will aim to do justice to Mission's classic slogan: "Music is the master, technology is the slave." They promise to build on the iconic style and consummate musicality of the original design, capturing the hearts of music lovers all over again. We can't wait to hear them.